Are you over 40 and looking for a side hustle that fits your lifestyle? Whether you're saving for retirement, paying off debt, or simply looking for some extra income, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing some of the easiest side hustles perfect for beginners over 40 and no advanced skills required. These ideas are perfect for anyone looking to make money on their own terms. So grab a pen and take notes. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the easiest ways to make money online, especially if you enjoy writing or have some expertise in a specific field. You don't need a degree in journalism to get started. There are countless websites like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com and ProBlogger, where you can find clients looking for articles, blog posts and website content. I recommend that you start by creating a portfolio with a few samples, and this can be as simple as writing a few blog posts on Medium. Now, what makes freelance writing great is the flexibility that it offers. You can write from anywhere at any time and set your own rates. Many writers over 40 have found success writing about topics that they're already passionate about, such as travel, health, finance, or even their own hobbies. For example, you could turn your years of experience in your profession into paid advice articles for businesses or industry blogs. Don't worry if you don't feel confident in your writing skills. Many clients are more concerned with clear communication than perfect grammar, and there are tools like Grammarly to help polish your work. I suggest that you start small and build your confidence, and as your portfolio grows, you can then charge higher rates for your expertise. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant VA work is a fantastic option for beginners, especially those over 40 with a background in admin, customer service, or even project management. Businesses of all sizes need VAs to handle tasks like email management, scheduling, data entry, and customer support. If you're organised, detail-oriented, and enjoy helping others, this could be a great fit. Now, to help you get started, I recommend you sign up on platforms like Belay and Time, etc., or Fancy Hands. These sites connect you with clients who need part-time help with everyday tasks. As you gain experience, you can specialise in more niche areas like social media management or bookkeeping, increasing your earning potential. One great advantage of being a VA is the variety of tasks that you'll perform. For instance, if you're great at managing emails, you could help a small business owner declutter their inbox, saving them hours each week. It's highly rewarding, flexible, and in high demand, perfect for those looking to balance work with other life commitments. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a subject or a skill, online tutoring or coaching could be a lucrative side hustle. This option is perfect for people over 40 because it allows you to leverage years of experience in a way that directly benefits others. Whether it's teaching English as a second language, coaching in a career development, or offering lessons in music, art, or fitness, there's a platform for it. Websites like tutor.com, VIP Kid, or Wisant connect tutors with students of all ages looking to learn. Alternatively, you can set up your own coaching service using Zoom or Google Meet, offering personalised sessions at times that fit your schedule. You can start small with a few clients and grow your business as word spreads about your expertise. One inspiring example is a 45-year-old former teacher who started tutoring kids in maths online. Within months, she built a steady clientele and was earning more than her old job, all while working from the comfort of her home. And the best part, you set your own hours and choose the students you want to work with, making this side hustle as flexible as you need it to be. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is a fantastic way to make money by selling custom designed products like mugs, t-shirts and phone cases without having to worry about any inventory. Platforms like Printful, Teespring and Redbubble make it very easy to upload your designs and sell products directly to consumers. This side hustle is perfect if you enjoy graphic design or have some creative ideas. but don't want to handle the hassle of shipping and storage. You don't need to be a professional designer to start. Simple text-based designs or quotes can sell surprisingly well. For example, a 50-year-old stay-at-home dad started a POD store selling funny t-shirts with dad jokes, and now it's his main source of income. You can use free tools like Canva to create very eye-catching designs in just minutes. POD allows you to focus on the fun part, creating and marketing your products, while the platform handles production and shipping. It's a very low-risk way to dip your toes into e-commerce, and with the right niche, you can build a solid passive income stream. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great option if you enjoy recommending products or services that you genuinely like. By promoting products through your social media such as Instagram and TikTok, or your blog or YouTube channel, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. The best part is that you don't need to handle customer service or shipping. You just need to focus on sharing the products that you actually believe in. I recommend that you start by joining affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Rakuten, or even ClickBank. And I then suggest that you focus on products that align with your interests or your expertise and that are aligned with the market that you're in. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could promote exercise gear, supplements, or home gym equipment. One effective strategy is to create review content or best of lists that provide really good value to your audience. For instance, a blogger in their late 40s created a blog reviewing kitchen gadgets and made thousands of dollars a month from affiliate commissions. Consistency is the key, and as your audience grows, so will your earnings. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is selling digital products. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or printables is an excellent side hustle for those over 40, especially if you have specialized knowledge or creative skills. Digital products are a set it and forget it type of business, in which you create them once and sell them repeatedly without too much ongoing work. Think of things like budgeting templates, meal planners, or craft guides that can be easily produced and sold on places like Etsy or even on your own website. Let me give you an example. A 55-year-old artist started selling digital prints of her watercolor art on Etsy. She now makes a steady income from her designs, which people buy to print and frame at home. The possibilities are truly endless, and you can start small by creating products based on your hobbies or even your professional expertise. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website make it very easy to list your products and start selling. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. I recommend that you just focus on creating something highly useful that others will find very valuable. And with the right marketing, digital products can become a significant source of passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is pet sitting or dog walking. Pet sitting and dog walking are fantastic side hustles that allow you to spend time with animals and get paid for it. This hustle is perfect for animal lovers over 40 who enjoy being outdoors and staying active. Services like Rover and Wag make it very easy to connect with pet owners in your area looking for reliable, trustworthy help with their pets. Pet sitting can be as simple as checking in on a pet while their owner is away, or it can involve overnight stays in the owner's home. Dog walking is equally flexible, and you can choose client based on your schedule and how far you're willing to travel. Let me give you an example. One woman in her 50s started walking dogs as a way to stay fit, and now she earns more than $1,500 a month from doing it. This side hustle requires minimal startup costs, just a love of animals and a good pair of walking shoes. Plus, the demand is always high, especially in urban areas. It's a great way to stay active, make connections in your community, and earn some extra cash. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is reselling items online. Reselling items online is a side hustle that's perfect for anyone with an eye for a bargain. Whether it's flipping thrift store finds, garage sale treasures, or even your own unused items, platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace make it very easy to turn a profit. This side hustle is ideal for those over 40 who enjoy shopping or have a knack for spotting highly valuable items. I recommend that you start by selling items around your house to get a feel for what sells well. Let me give you an example. One 48-year-old mum turned her weekend hobby of thrifting into a full-time business by reselling vintage home decor. She started small but now makes thousands each month by flipping items that she found for just a few dollars. You don't need a lot of upfront investment, just some research on what's in demand and the willingness to actually learn. It's a fun, low-risk way to make extra money, and the thrill of finding a great deal never really gets old. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is renting out space or equipment. If you have unused space or equipment, renting it out can be a great way to generate passive income. This could be anything from a spare room on Airbnb, a storage shed on Neighbour, or even your car on Turo. Renting out assets that you already own is a smart way to make money without having to put any daily effort. Let me give you an example. A 52-year-old homeowner started renting out her RV on weekends, earning enough to cover her monthly mortgage. Another individual in his 40s made a side income by renting out his camera gear to local photographers. The options are truly endless, and platforms handle all the logistics, including insurance and payments. It's all about leveraging what you already have. If you have space or equipment that's just sitting around, I recommend that you consider listing it for rent. It's a simple, hands-off way to earn extra income while still holding onto your assets. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to become a local tour guide. Becoming a local tour guide is an excellent side hustle, especially if you love your city and enjoy meeting new people. This is a fantastic opportunity for those over 40 who have deep knowledge of their town's history, culture, or unique attractions. You don't need formal qualifications, you just need the passion and the ability to tell a good story. Platforms like Airbnb experiences or tours by locals allow you to create a unique tour offerings based on your interests. For instance, if you live in a city known for its historic sites, you could create walking tours that highlight hidden gems or focus on specific themes like architecture, food, or even art. Let me give you an example. A 47-year-old retiree started offering weekend food tours in her city, highlighting the best local restaurants and markets, and now she makes a steady income while sharing her love for local cuisine. This side hustle allows you to set your own schedule and meet people from around the world. It's a fun, interactive way to make money, and you'll find that many tourists are eager to pay for personalised local experiences that can't be found in guidebooks. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.